Gelcoat restoration is a critical step for boaters and RV owners who want to protect investment and maintain resale value. Gelcoat surfaces oxidize, fade, and accumulate water spots, scratches, and stains over time, reducing gloss and color depth. The right restorer not only removes oxidation, but also preserves the finish, minimizes effort, and extends intervals between professional polishings.
Product number 1. Meguiar's Marine RV One-Step Compound. Meguiar's M6732 is positioned as a one-step compound designed to clean oxidation, stains, scratches, and water spots on fiberglass Gelcoat surfaces, delivering a high-gloss finish. It uses a medium abrasive, aluminum oxide, and is versatile enough to be used with a rotary buffer, dual-action polisher, or by hand. The formula emphasizes color revival and gloss, aiming to restore vibrancy to tired Gelcoat without requiring multiple products in succession. In practice, M6732 provides a noticeable improvement in color and depth, with a smooth finish that records a strong gloss when worked adequately. It behaves well on moderate oxidation and light scratches, and the inclusion of polishing oils helps maintain a warm, showroom-ready shine. The product's flexibility, usable by hand or with power tools, makes it accessible for DIY boat owners while still delivering respectable results for pros who need a quick turnaround. However, heavy oxidation or deep gouges may require a dedicated heavy-cut compound prior to finishing with this one-step formula. Product number 2. Owatrol Marine Polytrol 34-ounce Boat Gelcoat Restorer. Owatrol Polytrol is a color-restoring Gelcoat restorer that emphasizes deep penetration and long-lasting protection without leaving a surface film. It's marketed as suitable for Gelcoat, plastics, and metals, and it avoids peeling or flaking, a key advantage on UV-exposed surfaces. The product is a true restorer rather than a quick cleaner, designed to re-wet pigments and revitalize faded finishes while providing UV protection and corrosion resistance. In use, Polytrol delivers a non-film, even finish that doesn't peel, which is advantageous for holes and high UV environments. It's relatively easy to apply. Simply apply, let sit, and wipe, making it accessible for non-professional users. The formula's deep penetration aids color revival on colored Gelcoat, while also refreshing plastics and metal fixtures. A notable limitation is its guidance against use on white or very light Gelcoat surfaces, which restricts its applicability for certain hulls or trailers. It's best suited for colored finishes where a renewed hue and protection are desired, rather than heavy oxidation removal on very faded surfaces. Product number 3. Meguiar's M4916 Marine/RV Heavy-Duty Oxidation Remover. Meguiar's M4916 is a heavy-duty oxidation remover designed for fiberglass and Gelcoat surfaces. It emphasizes powerful abrasive action with diminishing polishing compounds and feeder oils to deliver a deep cut followed by a bright showroom polish. It is clearly aimed at tackling more challenging oxidation, water spots, and staining while leaving a polished finish. Performance-wise, M4916 excels when deep oxidation or chalky Gelcoat is present. It benefits from rotary or dual-action polisher use for maximum cutting efficiency, with the oils helping to maintain color and gloss post-cleanup. It's a robust option for those who want a dedicated heavy cut stage before refinishing. The main trade-offs are that it requires more attentive technique to avoid swirl marks, and that it is not as forgiving as milder products on softer coatings. It's well suited for professional detailers or very oxidized surfaces on boats and RVs. Product number 4. 3M Perfect-It Gelcoat Heavy Cutting Compound. 3M Perfect-It Gelcoat Heavy Cutting Compound is a premium professional-grade Gelcoat cleaner designed to remove heavy oxidation and chalking, up to P800 grit scratches, while leaving a smooth surface ready for final wax or polish. It remains wet longer during buffing, benefits from rotary application, and is built for larger projects with professional-grade results. In terms of user experience, this product offers extended work time and a high gloss finish after the initial cutting stage.
making it a strong choice for serious detailers or boat yards. The longer wet time reduces dust and improves control over the cut, enabling consistent results over larger hull areas. However, its premium positioning comes with a higher price tag and the need for a rotary buffer and polishing pads for optimal performance. It's best for users who want a top-tier finish and are comfortable with professional tools and workflows. Product number 5. Polyglow Boat. Polyglow offers a complete fiberglass restoration kit designed to restore and protect Gelcoat with a multi-step approach. The kit emphasizes long-lasting protection via UV inhibitors and a durable acrylic polymer barrier, claiming up to 6 years of protection with proper care. It's marketed as a comprehensive solution that reduces maintenance and coatings buildup compared to waxes in ceramics. In practice, Polyglow's approach requires multiple coats, minimum 6, for optimal results, which can be labor-intensive, but yields a durable, glossy finish with deep protection. The kit is well suited for owners who want a long-term restoration rather than a quick cosmetic fix, and who are willing to commit to a multi-step process. It's effective across boats, RVs, and other fiberglass surfaces, including jet skis and sailboats. Limitations include the time and effort required for multiple applications and limited availability of single-seat feedback data due to its kit-based distribution.